Now, the virgin birth is one of Christianity's most important miracles, but what if I told you that story is based on a translation error? You see, in Isaiah chapter 7 and verse 14, the English reading says, "Behold, a virgin shall conceive and bear a son." You're familiar with that passage. But if you look at the original Hebrew, that word that's supposed to be translated virgin, it's the Hebrew word Alma. And Alma actually most likely just means young woman in the original Hebrew. Not virgin, but just young woman. But the gospel writers didn't read the Bible in Hebrew. They would have been reading a Greek translation of the Hebrew Bible called the Septuagint. And the translators of the Septuagint, they misunderstood what the Hebrew word Alma actually means. And so they used the Greek word, which we've now interpreted into English as virgin. But it was never supposed to be virgin in the first place. And that one word, it changed the entire narrative. Suddenly, this wasn't just a young woman who was going to have the Messiah. Now, this young woman had to have a baby and still be a virgin somehow. So if Jesus was going to be the Messiah, then this detail had to be included in the story. And that's why we find this story in Matthew and in Luke. But it's all just one big translation error. And it does make you wonder, if this big of a translation error can exist, I bet there's many more. And we're going to talk about them on this channel. So make sure that you're subscribed so you see content like this daily in your feed. We'll be talking about all the different stories and contradictions in the Bible. And we'll also have a detailed video that comes out every Saturday so you can get a much deeper dive on all of these issues.